Good afternoon. I'm going to start effectively journaling via video as a means to try and help me with my reviews and analysis and everything like that. So I'm going to try and be quick, CJ, and yeah, so we can get onto it. So I am trying and was trying a new Outlook strategy, if you wish, but it's not to say that it didn't work. I was effectively offside today because I failed to consider the very basic things. So, for example, here on MGC, so we have Monday, Tuesday. So we have our opening range, our initial balance, so high to low. And what I didn't realize yesterday, even in the afternoon session, was in effect, we took out this sell side liquidity here, closed on the inside, and then effectively started to rally up. So this last down close candle that effectively took out liquidity, the open price of that particular candle right over there, is indeed our order block. So coming into the Asian session, effectively, we can see that we opened the new trading day with a bearish candle, tapping into and trying to fake out any effectively sellers or buyers for that matter, rather. And then, so for me, the opening range initial balance of the Asian session, then we can see we closed on the inside candle, but clearly based on what happened in New York yesterday, yesterday PM session, today's session was effectively bullish all along. And when I come onto the screen, which is basically around London session over here, I failed to note that in effect, the EMA, which is simply used as, if you wish, a more confirmation on which side to be on, was effectively, dare I say, bullish on the uptrend. And so I was trying to short something which shouldn't have been shorted effectively. So clearly on the wrong side and took an L over here. Similarly, when I look at NASDAQ, again, effectively, same things happened. In effect, our opening range initial balance, and yet again, if we look closely over here, we swept the sell side liquidity yesterday, Tuesday. This last down close candle that effectively took out the liquidity. That right there, the open price on that is effectively your change in the state of delivery, your order block, and then your market structure shift happens right over here. But as we can see, we tap into it right there at the open price. If you see the open price, just look up over here. If you see the open price of that candle is 24,612.75, and the low of this candle is 24,608. So 612, 608, it taps into it, and it rallies still in yesterday's PM session. So naturally, coming into today, all down close candles are to be supporting price. So in effect, this was a buy right over here. Again, this was a buy right over here. And then, of course, we do have some bullish PD arrays over here. Which are at a discount, tap into it, boom, off we go to the races. So fairly basic stuff, no need to complicate anything, but again, it's failing to see these things in live, which in effect, makes life that more complicated for ourselves. And the sequence here of these down close candles, again, coming into that already reclaimed down close candle supporting price, we tap into it right over there, boom, and off we go to the races. And I can go on and on. Again, ES, same thing happened again, because effectively they are somewhat they tend to behave similarly in price action. So here we have equal lows, so coming from Friday, so Monday, opening range initial balance right here in New York we take out those lows right over there. So sell side liquidity taken. Still in the PM session, we close above, yet again, bullish order block right over here, the last down close candle that takes the liquidity. Let's see if we tap into it. Open price, again, look up over here. Open price is 68.24.75. This low of this immediate candle comes in at 68.25.25. So 68.25.75, 68.25.25 goes down by 50 ticks if you wish. 50 ticks, absolutely nothing. It is completely algorithmic, and off we go to the races. So yet again, coming in, starting at the London session, again, and effectively look at the EMA pointing upwards. Why are you selling if momentum is now up? We've had effectively our change in the state of delivery order block, our shift in market structure happened right over here. We're going up, and obviously we're tapping now into a daily sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, mean threshold. I'm still expecting price to go down. Today is Wednesday, the 18th of February. I'm still expecting both indices, NASDAQ and ES, to go down. But this is where I'm at the moment with my trading. Obviously, you can see full transparency, L is an L. But we'll get there. We'll see what effectively happens. So that's it for me today. I'm done trading, and we'll review the charts tomorrow again and see if there's anything for us. Remember, we are not forcing anything. We are just reacting to what we see in price and waiting for our setup to form. And yeah, that's that. Thank you so much.